All right, Sean, hop in. We're in the 2014 Lamborghini Performante.
Oh,
this is basically a convertible version of the Superleggera, which is the lightweight Lamborghini Gallardo.
Oh, this is amazing.
What we've gotten here is a V10 5.2 liter motor. This particular one is tuned. It's got a Larini exhaust. It makes somewhere north of 600 horsepower to the wheels. We're all-wheel drive. What we like to do when we go to the track is we put it into sport mode. I don't necessarily like Corsa mode. These are single clutch, not dual clutch, they're single clutch transmissions. So they shift a little bit harder, but super fun car. And on the track, it's one of the best ones. So we come all the way out here. Remember where we are, because we always want to make a straight line, and we'll come in and.
Wow! Damn, it's fast.
Yeah, and we'll it's about 600.
Wow.
We'll give up that bowl corner because we don't want to smoke our tires. We still need to drive home.
Yeah.
And remember where we are here, straight line. We always want to keep that wheel as straight as possible. Anytime we turn the wheel, we're scrubbing speed, right? We see our black marks there. We come out here and we want to kiss this corner right here, right? Kiss that right there and straight. And again, you see how the wheel came back out? Making a nice straight line. And we're gonna come here again. We'll come all the way down to the white line. We'll finish our braking in the straight line, and then we do our turn in. And we'll make this. What'll happen here is we'll come all the way out, and now we're gonna rip it down the straightaway. And that was 96 miles an hour.
Wow.
So the fastest we've ever seen is 128 down the straightaway, and that was through with a one of my other race cars, a Venturi. But that was a beautiful line right there. Did you see it?
Beautiful. What a beautiful day, huh?
Yeah, it's a great day. I got my buddy Scott behind us. He's trying to learn the line here on this track. It really is a one-line track. You can't take 5 different corners, 5 different ways in the approach. Once you've got it, you stay in the same spot. This here, if you notice right there, we stay as far as we can to the left in the bowl because it shoots us out here for our straight line run. Now look at my wheel, almost perfectly straight, right? Back down a gear, we see our black marks on there. We come out and we go all the way out here to go, and now we accelerate. And finish our braking, and we're back to the inside again, right?
This thing's an animal.
Yeah, this is a really good car. I mean, you know, they made 14,000 Lamborghini Gallardos, but they only made 13 2014 Lamborghini Performantes. Basically the lightweight version of the Superleggera in a convertible form. So we've got all carbon panels in our doors, right?
Yeah. This is a hell of a car.
Yeah, really nice.
How much these cost about right now?
This was $366 new.
Yeah. I can see why. Woo!
Yeah.
Can you modify this one for power, or is this just stop?
Yeah, this one's got a Larini exhaust. It's got a tune. They make I think 580. That's what this is called, an LP 570. They make about 580 to the crank. This one made over 600 to the wheels. So, and then
wow.
See where we are. We come all the way out because where do we want to do here? We want to kiss that edge, right?
Yep.
And look at my hands on my wheel as I do this. You see, I'm not doing this, right? I'm not sawing at the wheel. You see a lot of people do that on a track. All they're doing is scrubbing speed. You want to go very smooth and fluid. Here we're going to watch this. The wheel's going to come out all by itself. It's very fast.
Beautiful.
Very fast. Fun, right?
Yeah.
And the sound, dude, the sound of a V10, there is nothing like a V10. I mean, the V12 is awesome, but I love the 10 sound. Now we're gonna go for a hot lap. Hold on there, buddy.
All right.
Got a little bit of rub in there. And we're back out. Now we'll go fast. back to the inside, as tight as we can be, and let her come out. And we're gonna rip this one this time. We're going for 110. Woo! That was 109.
Wow.
Whoa!
That was amazing.
Yeah, that was a good. That was a good ride.
was a
Yeah, very
good-ass
cool.
lap,
Yep,
man.
that was a nice lap.
That was fast.
Yep, it was fast. It was controlled. Did you see we
Yeah.
weren't out of hand? And remember, we weren't doing this, right? We weren't doing any of this sawing stuff. You see this all the time in videos and other people driving, and they're going like this and this. All they're doing is scrubbing speed.
Yeah,
You know what
yeah.
I mean? They're not going
Guys,
faster.
look at my hand. You see how calm it actually is? I feel so safe with Pete. Pete, you're such an amazing driver, dude.
Yeah,
You
well, it's
really
fun.
are.
It's fun to learn how to go on different tracks. I'm usually within 2 laps. I'm as fast as I'm going to be in a weekend. So
Wow.
after I know a track, now we'll take the Mustang out for another rip afterwards.
Yeah.
The Mustang is super fantastic on this
Yeah,
track,
Mustang.
and again, it's got more rubber. This is really a street car. The way this car is set up, it's not set up for road racing. I mean, it's we could do some more additional modifications, like really getting the suspension a little tighter. You notice how when we came around that corner, we had that. Well,
Yeah.
if this was stiffer, like the Lamborghini Super Trofeos, we wouldn't have that issue. So back in about 2004 is when the Lamborghinis really started to take over a whole nother persona. They were bought out, of course, by Audi, Porsche, and now it went from a real hand-built piece to a manufactured piece, but with a lot of quality control. So whereas like I have an older Diablo where you see like some of the stitching is not that good, and maybe the dashboard doesn't fit so perfect, and some panels here and there are not great. This thing is Audi controlled, so you had the Germans taking a look and making sure that the Italians were doing their beautiful thing, but also making sure everything was perfect. You know.
Awesome.
Yeah, so a real nice combination of handmade and quality control. I think it's probably the best combination you could possibly get with the Germans and the Italians working together.
Yeah,
very
that makes
cool.
sense to me.
This was the Mustang.
Pretty fast over there. Dude, this thing is just incredible.
Yep.
Is this one of your favorite cars?
Yeah, it is. It's one of my favorite road cars. Not a favorite track car, that's for sure.
Ah, gotcha,
Yeah.
gotcha.
So,
Guys,
all right, well,
subscribe if
yeah.
you enjoyed that.
yeah, if you guys enjoyed that, come on by. Come check us out at Boca Motors, and of course follow Sean Dubs. I mean, if we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for Sean's fantastic camera stuff. I don't know shit about this.
If it wasn't for you, man.
I don't know shit about this camera stuff or YouTube or anything, so you guys will be like, this guy doesn't know anything about YouTube. I really don't, man. But I can tell you what I do know. I know cars. And you bring me any car, and we will rip it as fast as it can go around a racetrack.
Hell yeah, I hope
All right.
this is just the start, man. Yeah, guys, if you want more, subscribe, leave a comment so we know, okay?
Yeah, leave a comment, man. I like reading the comments. Even the bad ones, man. Tell me some bad ones. Because I like hearing those. Those are the funniest ones I get.
You guys heard the man. Leave comments. All right, guys, we'll catch you in the next one.